Hi everybody, welcome back and welcome to a haul video. So right before this, I'm trying to think, I'm probably going to post this on a Sunday, and on the Saturday, so yesterday for you, I posted the walkthrough video for Stamperia horses, and that was actually the last project of my last haul, or at least the last big project. I may do some little ones, but anyway. Today I got my package from Scrap and Create, and I thought we would do a haul together. You can see what's coming up over the next several months. So when you order from Scrap and Create, this is how it's all packaged, beautifully bubble wrapped, nice and neat. And here are my little charm packs. I think I've told you that you get these little mesh bags full of metal pieces. I'm very excited. So let me, I'll probably edit through opening this part. I just wanted you to get a look. All right, I am back. I've got everything unpacked. I may fast forward or just edit that out. But anyway, first things first, Winter Tales. Now, I have already worked with Winter Tales. Did a beautiful album. I think it was beautiful last year. But I loved it. They put out some new things this year to go with this collection. So we're going to work with it again. And I'm looking. Okay, I have something else I want to show you in a minute. Okay. Let's do a quick look. This is the 12 by 12. If you've not seen this collection before, treat in store. It is stunning. So it's not overtly Christmas, but it's definitely winter. If you remember, I made that lamp. I used that in the rice paper. So I love this collection so much. I am not at all unhappy. I'm going to be working with it again. I love it. So excited. Okay, so that is the 12 by 12. And I also got these from 49 Market, these beautiful Christmas flowers, which are going to look great. I don't know if you can see, but they're sparkly. They're really cute. These are not, but the rest are sparkly. And then we have the die cuts, okay, to go with it. And we have, hang on, I'm going through I have piles of stuff off camera here. We have the 8 by 8. I have two 12 by 12, two 8 by 8. And I have, okay, these rice papers. And I have, hang on. Does this go with, yeah. No, you know what? This goes with a different collection. This one. Hang on, but I'll show it to you in a minute. But I have this rice paper. And it's a little different than the rice papers we've been using. It's more like cut apart bits. So we'll be doing a little collaging with that. And then we have these beautiful wooden shapes. Oh, and we have collectibles. Let's open this and look at it. So when I did my last album, I didn't have most of these things. So, okay. And you all know by now that I just love these collectibles. Beautiful. Oh, this is going to be great. And as you can see, let me show you again. If you've not seen these before, they are reversible, most of them. So you fussy cut them out, and then you can put them down whichever direction you want. They can stand up and still be designed on the back. Some circles. The circles are not reversible. Little signs won't be reversible. But you get more paper to use on those. But look at these castles, or actually I think they're churches. These look like Eastern Orthodox churches. Beautiful. Oh, look at the animals. How cute is that bunny? Those are reversible. Look at these wreaths, windows, poinsettias. Oh, look at this sled with a teddy bear. Okay, so that's the collectibles. If you fold them backwards like I did, they'll break apart, but that's perfectly fine. So that is Winter Tales. And as, like I said, you've seen it before. I've worked with it before, but this time we have lots more stuff to work with, so it'll be fun. And then we have Stamperia Vagabond in Japan. And let me grab, here are the collectibles. So you have most likely already seen this collection. Lots of people have already worked with it. I have not, but I am looking forward to it. And let me put these, let me put all this to the side here. Okay. So this is Sir Vagabond in Japan. Oh, stunning. And again, with this 2 12x12 and 2 8x8. And I believe I also have patterns in this. I'll take a look. This is gorgeous. Oh, she is beautiful. Just a stunning collection. That red is amazing. All right, and so this one I have, let's take a look. I have this rice paper here, and let's see. Okay, and we have collectibles. We have the 8x8. Oh, here it is. I do have it. And we have the patterns. So I have 2 8x8, 2 12x12, 1 8x8 patterns. And I'm just going to turn this over. We won't look at it because I know I'll be using lots of these. So that's the collectibles. And that is Sir Vagabond in Japan. And then we have Stamperia Christmas. This is, I thought it had a name. Maybe it's just called Romantic Christmas, but I have the 12x12s, 2 12x12s, 2 8x8s, and I have this card collection. If you remember, we used this in another collection. I can't remember which one, but I liked having them. It's got cards and tags and bookmarks. Fun. So that. And we have the die cuts. Are these? No, these are the Winter Tales die cuts. Where are the Christmas ones? Hang on. Oh, I have them mixed up. These are both Winter Tales. Okay, so I have 2 sets of Winter Tales. Okay, that's what I have. You know what? There weren't any die cuts for this collection. That's right. So I will show you. Here's the 8x8s. And that's one reason I got the cards, because there weren't any die cuts. And I got the wooden shapes to take the place of some of the die cuts, which are really cute. So let's take a look at this one. Oh, sweet. And this is the one I have the rice paper to match. I like this one. I think one thing that I like about this is it's a fairly basic Christmas collection. So we'll be able to do, oh, look at this. There's room for we can make an advent calendar. We can even do that separate. Gives you all the little parts and pieces. So maybe we'll set that aside and do a separate little advent calendar. Oh, that's cute. What I was saying is you could do a lot with a collection like this as far as for pictures and stuff. I love this little village. And there's some cut parts for fussy cutting. All right, really cute. Okay, and then I wanted to show you, I have, these are the rice papers, and you can see I have 2 of them. And the reason I have 2 of them is I'm going to do a project. If you remember my last haul, I got this little 3D gazebo decorative chip, and I wanted to do a Christmas project with it, but I wasn't able at that time to get any Christmas rice papers. So now I have some. I'm going to do a project with this as well. So just bear that in mind when you're placing your order. Cute. And then the last thing I wanted to mention, did we look at everything? We did. Oh, glue. If you have not yet, this was in my box. If you have not yet started to order your glue for winter, order right now. Like pause the video and go order, because we're into October in the next little few days, and you won't be able to get it much longer. So stock up for winter on your glue. I'm going to have 2 of these 16-ounce bottles on hand, and I hope that's enough to get me through. And I go through a lot of glue. But there's that. And then the other thing is, hang on, I'm checking my iPad. Okay. Hang on. Okay, so I'm showing you this. I don't even know if you'll be able to see it on your screen, because I probably have glare on my screen. But this one, Memories of a Snowy Day by Ciao Bella. I've got this on pre-order. I just wanted to mention it to you in case you wanted to order like all your stuff all together. So I have those 3 that I showed you, and then I'll be getting this one, Memories of a Snowy Day, okay? And that one's coming later. It's on pre-order right now. So that is everything that we will be working on. I'll tell you, let me pull this up. Just pulling a few things over here. I think my current plan, let me get that out of the way, let me get these out of the way, is going to be the 3. So I think, not 100% sure, but I think my order is going to be this one first. So we're doing Stamperia Horses right now. Then we will be doing this one, Stamperia Romantic Collection Christmas. Then probably Winter Tales. Then, by then I should have the Ciao Bella, Memories of a Snowy Day. So I'll probably do that one. And then I'm planning Sir Vagabond in Japan as the last of this group. Just because this has been around so far for a little bit. There's a bunch of tutorials out there already on it. If somebody really wants to do it, but Christmas is approaching at a frightening pace, and I do want to get some Christmas things done. So I'm going to start with those, and then we'll do this one last. So that's my plan. Oh, I have one other thing. I forgot. Wait. Okay, hang on. All right, so we're going to do those. Those are all going to be big projects, but we're going to do this little project that I told you about. And then I have these pop-up kits, and we're going to do these as smaller, shorter videos. I won't be putting them necessarily in albums. I'll just be showing you how they work and how to do them. So if you purchase them, you will know how to do them. So we have got the Alice pop-up. We have got the Alice, I forget what they call this one. It's a different kind of pop-up, but the same idea. Oh, the tunnel pop-up. So the regular pop-up card, the tunnel pop-up card, the House of Roses, and then the House of Roses tunnel. And then we have Voyage Fantastique pop-up card and Voyage Fantastique tunnel pop-up card. So, sorry, I made a noise. My plan for these is to make a series of short videos with these that will intersperse with the big projects that we'll be doing. So I may do, maybe pick a specific day of the week and just post these every week until we've done them all. So you can see how they work. Okay, so that's those. All right, that's everything now. So I will see you next time, and at that point we'll probably still, I know we're still working on Stamperia Horses, and you may see one of these card things pop up, no pun intended, and then this little thing pop up. as just short videos, but the series, the next one is going to be the Stamperia Christmas. So that's everything. It's all from Scrap and Create. I will have a link down below. You can get all of these items there. I do encourage you to, like I said, make sure whatever you order that you get your glue. Now's the time. And that is it. So I will see you next time, and we will make something. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.